So Drew, I'm looking at your brochure design. Um, it's looking like you have quite a bit of work to do still. I suppose this would probably be your front page, and then your back panel, and then the inside folded panel, and then this would be the inside spread. And I think that there's potential here for, you can add your image in here, another image in here, and then maybe have not necessarily like a line between them. You could try that and keep it as is. But you could also have some sort of a, you know, graphic that kind of continues between the two shapes. It could be like a swirly graphic or, something like that here. Potentially joining the two images that you do. And then I think that these, this shape down here works pretty well. I think maybe it gets a little too thin down here. You might need to bump it up a little bit because I can envision this being the front panel, and this little bit of on the front panel here might be kind of unnecessary in some ways, but if there was just more of it, it might make a little bit more sense. Hopefully you can get caught up on this week. They're due the 20th, so it's the 16th today. Today's Monday. So you might have to put in extra work on this outside of class, obviously, either using the library computers or just coming into the Mac lab and working on this. So anyway, it's a good start. I think you have something to work with here, but just need to put more time into the design. Really working with that text is going to be, and finding the images you want is going to be obviously fairly time consuming. So, all right, we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you tonight.